welcome to Kingsbridge Kitchen here at Kingsbridge Private Hospital in Belfast. Today I'm going to show you how to make lovely fruit soda, which is quite simple. 5 ingredients. So here we go. So baking flour. Second, 5 grams of salt. The third ingredient is 5 grams of baking soda and dried fruit to start. Combine your wet ingredients, which is buttermilk, lightly bring together. You don't want to overwork your flour at this stage because you end up with a tough loaf. Put the mix out onto the countertop. Shape it. Pat down to about 5 centimeters. Make a deep cut. Across the dough. And place in a preheated oven. At 200 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn it down to 180 and cook for a further 20 minutes. And there you go. Soda bread. So after 40 minutes in the oven, you should have a lovely fruit soda. Let it cool for about half an hour and slice it. Enjoy it with some butter and some homemade jam if you have any. Thanks for tuning in today. This is Jim from Kingsbridge Kitchen.